Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this commercial paper shredder. This thing is a beast. This is a really nice one. This has casters on the bottom, so if you're going to move this around your floor, easily can roll this around and roll it underneath the desk because it does have a nice flat top on it. You can open it up. And the nice part about this one here, I'll go ahead and plug it in so that you can see a couple of the features on this, but a couple of things that I found really interesting about this is the fact this is a continuous feed paper shredder. Now, you have the ability to feed single sheets, which we can easily do. I'll go ahead and take a sheet here, we'll turn this thing on, and we'll go to auto, and we'll drop a sheet in here and see how it does. Now what this is doing is it's actually cutting a cross shred into that there. So as far as all set and purposes, I mean, that is some really nice shreds that are doing that in there. And this thing can do up to, excuse me, a bunch of sheets in the back of this thing. Let's go ahead and get this thing loaded up. It's actually do 120 sheet auto feed. 120 sheet auto feed. So let's go ahead and shove some of these pages back here and let this thing auto feed itself. And it's going to go ahead and auto feed sheets. Now this thing will run to 60 minutes non-stop. And it's quiet. Like, this is not that loud. A lot of them have that really grinding sound, but this is going to auto feed those sheets in there, which is fantastic. So that would do plenty of those, get those loaded up in there, which is great. You also can use thicker, if you had thicker sheets like old folders and things like that, maybe had personal information on them, we can go ahead and feed those through there too. So it actually will go ahead and cross-cut those as well. And those things are thick, so this will actually do quite a few sheets. You have the ability to reverse, leave it on forward, on auto, which of course is where most people are going to have it set, shut it off, and then whenever you're done, simply close this down and it will be ready to go. Now this, again, over 5-gallon capacity. So this is going to hold a ton of shreds, because this just makes them down those micro shreds. I mean, that cross cuts, and that is a fantastic. Loving the fact that it can do that. You can easily put a bag in here if you wanted to, or just dump it straight into another waste. And it does have this nice window on the front so you can see it as it slowly fills up, which is another really nice feature. So this is a really nice paper shredder, if you will, and I appreciate you sending it.